Transform your static Webflow designs into visually stunning experiences by mastering the art of circular motion animation. Let's dive into creating sophisticated, orbiting movements for any element on your Webflow site first. Select the element you want to animate. This could be an image, a text block, or even a div. Head over to the Interactions panel, locate Element Trigger, and choose, while scrolling in View. Now, click the plus icon to create a new animation from the drop-down. Select Play Scroll Animation. This tells Webflow to start our animation when the element enters the viewport. To achieve a smooth circular path, we'll use a powerful technique involving a parent element and a rotated child. So, let's add a new div block above our element. We'll call this our orbit container. Make sure this container is positioned relatively. Next, drag your original element inside this orbit container. Now, ensure your original element is absolutely positioned within its container. This is crucial for controlling its movement. Here's the magic on our orbit container. We need to apply a rotation animation in the Interactions panel. Under the scroll animation we just created, click the plus icon again this time. Select Rotate. For a complete circle, we'll set the rotation to 360 degrees to ensure a consistent, smooth orbit. Adjust the easing to linear. You can then fine-tune the duration of this rotation to control the speed of your circular motion. To create the orbiting effect, your original element needs to be offset from the center of the orbit container. You can achieve this using margins or by adjusting its position. Properties. This offset will define the radius of your circle. Finally, to ensure the orbiting element stays perfectly within its designated path, set the Overflow property of the orbit container to Hidden. This will crop any parts of the element that might extend beyond the container during rotation. And there you have it, a sophisticated circular motion animation that will add a dynamic and captivating touch to your Webflow designs. Experiment with different speeds, offsets, and elements to bring your creations to life.